Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter. If you put your AC on and it smells kind of funky, the air filter is behind the glove box. Alright, so we're going to start off. Pull this panel. Pull the panel down, just pull it. And you're going to take this screw off. You're gonna pry this off, pull this up. You're gonna pop this panel right off. Here, take that out completely. Makes it a little easier. This guy's a little tight, but don't want to break it. So, alright. Let's leave that for last, okay? So you look under here, you got a couple of screws. Unscrew that. Open the glove. We got 3 screws up here. Pop these screws out. Only work on my stuff. Alright, it should be. Let me pop this panel out. So pop that panel off. It comes out this way. It comes off towards the inside. You take the hidden screw off, and the glove drops right down. Okay. Disconnect these 2 connectors. Actually, just one connector. Drop that down. This tab here, you open that, and there's your cabin air filter. Boom. This thing is pretty filthy. Every time I put my AC on, it smells funky. Ooh, this stinks. So, got a new one right here that I'm gonna install. You take the new one, slides right in. See the arrow that says up? Make sure you get the right side up. You put the cover back on, and then just reverse the way it came off. No need to go through all that. It's pretty simple. That's the hidden screw that this panel had to come off to access that screw. Otherwise, you won't see it. If you try to pry it, you'll break it. So make sure you take this panel off first. It pulls this way, not this way. It pulls to the inside. All right. Done. All right, everything's back together. Screw back. And all together is about a 15-minute job. Real simple. This is an old filter, and I'm done.